Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? In today's video, I have created a blue cut crease eye makeup look. You guys know how much I love BTS, and as soon as they released the album cover of their latest album, Map of the Soul 7, I was so inspired to create a makeup look. Now let's dive into the tutorial. The first step is to prime your eyelids, and I'm using Sugar's Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer for that. This will give you a smooth base to work on, and it will also keep your makeup on for a longer time. Make sure you blend it out evenly. All the products that I'm using in today's video will be linked down in my description bar below. Repeating the same thing on the other eye. For my eye look today, I'm using the LA Colors Sweet 16 palette in the variant Playful. And I'm going to start with the base shade. Make sure you blend everything out because we don't want any harsh lines. Let's dive into the blues now. As you can see, I'm not applying a lot of pressure because with colors like this you need to be really patient. You cannot go crazy. I would recommend building up the colors slowly instead of going heavy in the beginning itself. And for this look, I want my outer corners to be really sharp and precise. And now I'm slowly bringing the color to my inner corners, and after this I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using the same concealer for my cut crease. For the lid color, I'm going to use my Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the variant 04 Fetish. I'm going back in with my blue shade to make sure it's evenly blended out and there are no harsh lines. See how much difference that makes. Time for some eyeliner. This is Sugar's I Want You So Double Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black Swan. And now I'm going to complete the rest of my base makeup. I'm setting my under eyes with a loose banana powder. And now I'm smoking out my lower lash line with the same deep blue eyeshadow that we've used in the outer corner. And now I'm going to apply the Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal in the shade Still Got the Blues in my waterline. Now I'm applying the same golden eyeshadow in the inner corners of my lower lash line. I'm going to set the rest of my face with Set the Tone tinted powder. Time for some blush. I'm using my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. I'm going to highlight my face with the same golden eyeshadow. For lipstick, I'm using my L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Lipstick in the shade 116 I Explore. I want my lipstick to be pretty basic today because the main focus of this look is the eye makeup. Topping it off with this beautiful gloss from Sugar. This is their Time to Shine lip gloss in the shade 10. Alright, there you have it. This is the final look. If you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And a big thank you for 2000 subscribers. My giveaway is live on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there and enter. If you're new here, please don't leave without subscribing. It would mean so much to me, and all my social media handles will be mentioned in my description bar below, so follow me there. Stay connected, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.